Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on Assistant menu button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To turn on our Assistant menu button, we have to go to Settings first. Then we are looking for Accessibility options. And here. And under Interaction and Dexterity, we have at the top our Assistant menu. What does it do? Show a menu of easy-to-reach buttons that let you replace physical buttons, gestures, and other common interactions. Let's go here. Code. And yes, we have to allow this function here. And now we have this little button here. We can move it wherever we need, wherever is comfortable for us. And now, as you can see, our button is on the screen. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.